Hey, I'm finna super try right quick. Somebody had asked me, does auto park work at night or dark or whatever? I'm like, of course it does. Just a quick demonstration right quick. I'm gonna choose one of these parking spots to park in. So check this out. Let me back up again. I want you to see what's happening here. This is, you can't lie that this is so freaking cool. But anyway, so look, so as I'm coming up there, it shows that there's some parking available. So I'm finna hit the scroll wheel, activate, select. Well, I'm scrolling up and down to see which one I want to park, which one I want. So I'm gonna go for, let's see, I can go for that one right there. Select it, and it's gonna do its thing. See, it's doing its thing. Daylight, dark, morning, it doesn't matter. It's gonna do its thing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Stop on its own. Check this out. Stop on his arm. Everything. Oh, look at that. Let me show you right how straight that is. Get a little juice in here. I forgot to plug up. Looking for the green. Once you get the green, that means you good, baby. Money good. Money good. But yeah, look at that. Look at the line. Look how straight it parked. Look at that. Oh. Turn the lights off. Hold on. Get rid of some of my trash. It says 15 minutes of charge to charge it up. But yeah, so as you can see, it did the lines perfect, more perfect than we would probably do. I ain't gonna lie, I love that. So yeah, as you can see, it does see in the dark, to answer your question. So it's your boy EV Smoke. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We got more to come. So like I said, I'm just finna sit here and charge up right quick. I only got like 10 minutes. Open the doors up. You can't beat that. But check this out. So while I'm waiting to charge, like I try to tell people, while you waiting to charge, there's always things to do. Let's say I'm gonna go to old YouTube. You know, go to the old YouTube, and then also too, you know, go on, like and share, subscribe to it if you haven't done so already, please. Check it out. We got some things coming. You know, watch a couple videos and you know, while you wait in charge. Can't beat that. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video right quick, showing that you can use auto park. You can use auto park in dark. It doesn't matter, and it works like a champ. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We got more to come. Stay tuned. Peace. It's your boy EV Smoke, ATX. Out. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.